Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. I don't even remember where I shot this. Well, probably some beach, close to beach in California, I think. 35mm reversal film, just a snapshot. Well, I think the subject is two palm trees. This is pretty nice graphic image. Well, I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. I made two of them. Well, the difference between these two is a little bit dark on one of them, but not much big difference. Pretty interesting subject today. It's not commercial. It's not I usually use as a subject. Well, I want to try some kind of, posture like illustration. Maybe it's gonna help be the kind of fun to try on something. Well, maybe I can find something new again. And let's get started. Okay, since I made pencil drawing type image, which is pretty nice drawing type image, isn't it? Well, change blend mode to, let's see, nice colors, pretty interesting. Well, that's nice. Overlay, luminosity, this is interesting too. Color wise, some kind of gradation from bottom, like real thin green, yellow, soft light. One is color burn, the other one is overlay. That's pretty interesting, pretty contrasty, and nice blue sky. Maybe I can add some more pop-up nice trees, huh? Well, I may change some colors. Yeah, let's try it. More saturated greens, palm tree, some orangerish browns. Shadow side, yeah, maybe blue. We can use watercolor to blend in blue to orange or something. That all makes pretty interesting. Okay, let's try that. Just leave this image, then move this empty layer, go over all the way top, then maybe tone down this image, paint down here, tone down just more. Now I'm gonna pick watercolor brush. Watercolor round detail. Interesting. Okay, now I go back on shadow area. Then water around detail again, a little bit dark blue. And once dried, nice palm tree, don't you think? What do you think? Okay, now finish up sky blue on this color layer. Well, watercolor wash flat. And change to watercolor wash soft. Well, I guess that's it. Now this is original image. Then I add this pencil drawing type image, two of them. One is turn it on, overlay 70% to lighten up. Then the other one is color burn 40% to a little bit touch contrast. And give it some edge of the top pencil drawing type image. Then I add color on this palm trees, especially. This is all watercolor and shadow area to get more pop art. This is it. Especially shadow area, I like this. Orange and the blues combinations, that's nice. Now I want to try add layer, then filling with white pixel layer, then create empty mask, hide with dry media to pastel square. A little more dark, sharp image that looks nicer. Okay, this is one of the variation I finished. Alright, that's one of the image. Now, we want to make something different variation from this. One is, oh no, this is one way. This is no mask, just straight. This is one, then this is second one. Now what's third one? Third, well, get bigger, then use that rough pencil, then use this ruler. This is nice. It's not accurate. No, that. It's not accurate. So I'm gonna just touch bigger. 4100. Yeah. Okay. Done. Okay, I'm gonna move. Select multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then move. I'm gonna move just one. Alright, that's it. This is third one. Okay, I guess that's it. Let me see. Now we have, well, I got this original image, then I add pencil drawing type image. One is overlay 70% to get lighter, then another pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color burn 40%. Give us a little bit nice sharpness edge. Then I add color, add some pastel colors on these palm trees, add brown, greens, and sky blues, this much, to get some pop art color. Then I add white. Okay, this is the one image, base image, just for keep. Then this is a straight image, right? Then I add white border with mask with the rough dry media type pencil drawing. I think that was pastel square to hide and reveal some. Hide this much. This is mask. Okay, then this is second one I keep, but still not quite, so I add frame, square frame. That's it. Well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Nice California scenery.